What is BNB chain and how does it work? As part of the transition to Web3, the Construct and Build (BNB) chain is a distributed blockchain network that allows developers and entrepreneurs to build decentralized applications, also known as DApps. One of the essential characteristics of Web3 blockchain technology and its applications is decentralization. The fact that no one person or group is in charge is the guiding premise behind constructing these kinds of systems. Instead, the technology enables users to do business securely without relying on a third party to uphold trust. It also paves the way for a type of software known as smart contracts to be implemented on computers, which will automate many of these interactions. This will make it possible to develop decentralized applications that will support a diverse range of products, such as financial services, DeFi, video games, GameFi, and digital collectibles, NFTs. As of October 2022, BNB Chain has become the largest smart contract blockchain in the world in terms of both the number of transactions and the number of active users every day. At the time of this writing, it has processed 3 billion transactions originating from 163 million unique addresses, and its ecosystem contains more than 1,300 active decentralized applications, DApps. Because the network is decentralized, anyone can construct a product on BNB Chain without asking for permission first, opening the door to reaching a large audience. The origins of BNB Chain can be traced back to April 2019, when Binance debuted what was once referred to as the Binance Chain. At that time, the Binance Network Token, BNB, a utility token that was first developed to reduce the trading costs that Binance users are required to pay, transitioned from the Ethereum network, where it had been introduced in 2017, and became the token of the Binance Chain. The project, codenamed Binance Smart Chain, was made public in September 2020. The addition of smart contract capability and the capacity for developers to build decentralized applications, DApps, was the most important aspect of this new chain. All of this was brought to a head with the launch of BNB Chain in February 2022. BNB Chain comprises BNB Beacon Chain, formerly known as Binance Chain, and BNB Smart Chain, previously Binance Smart Chain. While the latter continues to act as the infrastructure for constructing a wide ecosystem for large-scale decentralized apps, the former is focused on governance, which includes staking and voting. The fact that BNB Chain is an ecosystem that is community-driven, open-sourced, and decentralized is of critical importance. The main objectives of this new chain were laid out as follows. To allow trading on cryptocurrency exchanges. To create an open-source and decentralized platform. To guarantee the safety of transactions and real-time settlement on a blockchain independent of Binance's public chain. To ensure that Binance BNB token can be used seamlessly on the new public chain. The primary benefit that BNB Chain can provide its users is the capability to manage their assets in a secure and reliable way, enabling them to access a wide range of DApps without having to use any other platform. This blockchain has been successfully deployed on the Ethereum mainnet since February 2022 and supports more than 1,300 decentralized applications. How does BNB Chain work? BNB Chain is an open-source, decentralized blockchain with a public and private chain. To operate the system, users have an account on the Binance Chain. This is similar to how they would have had an account on Binance itself before the launch of BNB Chain. Essentially, it is a store of value that will be used to achieve consensus across a wide range of applications and DApps built on top of the platform. This is achieved by ensuring that transactions are stored on the public blockchain in a way that ensures that they cannot be tampered with. Why use BNB Chain? While Binance has been operating since 2014, the launch of BNB Chain in February 2022 was made possible through the application of smart contracts, which have now become a standard feature of most blockchains out there. The real benefit is that smart contracts have enabled developers to build more secure systems. This is because the code that will be used can be verified to ensure that it will not contain any security flaws. In addition, this code can be stored on a blockchain in a way that is immutable and cannot be changed by anyone. As a result of their implementation, there are three major reasons why people choose to use BNB Chain. The application of smart contracts reduces the risk of hacking and theft because there are no opportunities for these activities to occur. Efficiency. The fact that transactions can be processed in minutes allows for much efficiency. In addition, smart contracts can automate most tasks, thereby reducing the number of people involved in various processes. The fact that transactions can be processed in a matter of minutes allows for a great deal of efficiency to take place. Working towards Web3. The main purpose of the Binance Chain and BNB Chain is to serve as a basis for the development of a complete decentralized trading ecosystem. Web3 is an attempt to make software that can be used on top of a decentralized blockchain to create a new generation of web apps that do not require much centralization. Ultimately, Binance and BNB Chain contribute to the same push toward Web3. Both organizations were founded to assist common people all over the world in attaining the level of liberty and safety they are due to take command of their own online transactions, data, and digital lives. Binance was founded with the specific goal of achieving this. As a centralized digital asset exchange, it provides millions of people worldwide with a straightforward and risk-free entry point into cryptocurrencies and Web3. When those users have gained sufficient experience, they will be able to go further into studying the decentralized internet by using the DApps that are hosted on BNB Chain. According to what the CZ of Binance has said, we are a huge proponent of decentralization. At Binance, it is important to take baby steps while offering users options for any tools at their disposal. Binance invests significantly in developing centralized and decentralized exchanges, CEX and DeFi, respectively. We will continue to be champions for a future in which freedom and security can coexist. Although no ownership or control is involved, the BNB chain will always have a history and link with Binance, the company, although the BNB chain is a decentralized network. The chain is comprised of its community and its validators, and there is not a single institution, not even a centralized exchange, that can dictate the decisions made. Instead of the other way around, Binance should be viewed as a relatively insignificant component of the ecosystem surrounding BNB. Conclusion. BNB Chain is a step forward toward the development of Web3. Therefore, it should be viewed as a key component in the development of the decentralized economy that takes place on Binance DEX. In addition, it is an important part of the continued push for greater decentralization in a system previously dominated by centralized systems and organizations. The process is still ongoing, and there is no way to know how it will play out.